fishing friends. Today we have one purpose, one goal in mind, and that is to break our dry streak. It's been about a month since we've had a fish on the line due to a really warm and slow winter so far here in Maine. So today we are going to venture out into the woods to a spot that I found in the spring. We're going to be targeting one of my absolutely favorite fish in the freshwater, and that is the beautiful brook trout. One of my favorite noises, doesn't get much more relaxing than that. Oh yeah, you went down. That did not take long. Wow. Oh gosh. Guys, we are starting off with the Mepps spinner. Mepps is always a good bet for trout, really for a lot of different species of fish, but you really can't go wrong with that. So absolutely beautiful out here. I'd love to try and get it right over in that pocket where the current kind of skips over. So you have that lull over there. Looks like a good place to be hunkering down if you're a trout. We get snagged on. Yeah, we came undone. Good, good. How low can we go here? Through. You know, guys, I enjoy getting out not only for obviously the beauty of this scenery, but you got to always look at the positives, I feel like. And with this, like I said, this is an area I've fished before. I'm mapping it out a little bit more as I go. You know, I'm paying attention to things. Trees have definitely fallen down since the spring, so that changes things a little bit more traffic in the waterway here. But nonetheless, gotta pay attention. Guys, the eyelets of our fishing rod are freezing up. So each time we've been trying to cast, it's been getting caught. So I'm melting it real quick with my hand. See if this casts any better now. Yeah, there we go. Dang, that was a good cast. My flicks are on point today, guys. Guys, check out the bird's nest under this bridge. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right along the side there are 2 bird's nests just plastered right up against the side of the bridge. Pretty neat. I'm guessing it's probably like a sparrow or swallow, something like that. But guys, the inner kid in me wants to just shake the heck out of this tree and get absolutely covered in snow. So let's do it. Whew. All right. Well, that was a success. Man, I don't think I'll ever grow up. 30 years old, you know, still doing this crap. Hey, you know what? You can't say that I don't have a good time. Whew. That'll wake you up. Guys, it feels like a totally different planet back in here. I think we both see that log and are probably thinking the same thing. But I'm not that crazy. I'm not that desperate for fame. So we will not be walking across that. Well guys, this seems like as good a place as any to do a quick recap of the day. We did not break our dry streak, as you guys have seen, but we did get out, enjoyed the nature, enjoyed the beauty of a fresh snow. So we are thankful for that. I anticipate that I'll break my dry streak tomorrow, but stay tuned guys. I will be going up a little bit farther north in Maine, where there actually is some ice, and gonna be fishing with a buddy of mine, hopefully targeting some hike. Anyway, today was a bust, but I still had a blast. So thank you guys for watching. Drop it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next one. We are out. You got it.
That's all I want. And either I have to pay $9.99 through Paramount to get it. You want a receipt, honey?
No, thank you very much, though. Hope you have a great day. We went with an IPA, guys, from Mass Landing. One of my favorite breweries, actually, in Maine. Let's get that pour in there. I don't know about you guys, but I love a nice hazy, frothy IPA. Nothing like cold beer to end a cold day out on the water. Make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for the next fishy video.